All right, guys, we're gonna make a succulent arrangement for mom on the cheap. All you need is soil, sand, pebbles, a plant, and a pot. Concrete pot that we made a few weeks ago cost me about 50 cents. I picked up this glass bowl at Goodwill, 99 cents. First thing you're gonna wanna do is mix your sand and your soil together. I do a 50-50 mixture. It's really important for succulents to have good drainage, and if you just do soil, the roots will rot and the succulent will die. I add some pebbles into the mix as well. Once you get all that mixed up, throw it in your planter, plant your succulent, and then put some more pebbles on top, and you're good to go. Your plant could look like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. Alrighty guys, that does it for this episode of Green Tea Time. Happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Tyler Banken. We'll see y'all next time. Happy planting.